Xbox's new chief exec Asha Sharma has only been in charge for a few months, but things already seem like they might be changing for the better, or at the very least, they might be getting cheaper. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. It was reported that the new Xbox CEO wrote a memo to employees about the current pricing of the Game Pass subscription service, saying the Game Pass is central to gaming value on Xbox. It's also clear that the current model isn't the final one. Sharma allegedly said, "Short-term, Game Pass has become too expensive for players, so we need a better value equation. Long-term, we'll evolve Game Pass into a more flexible system, which will take time to test and learn around." After Microsoft upped the price for Game Pass twice within 15 months, many gamers certainly felt that the service has gotten too costly to keep. Xbox is still offering a wide range of titles on Game Pass. Take the April update as an example, which is adding indies like Hades 2 and new Double Fine Project Kiln alongside AAA hits like the remake of Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Sources suggest that adding the Call of Duty franchise might be the reason for the Game Pass price increase, since Microsoft would lose out on revenue by making the latest entries in the series available under the subscription. It's too early to say whether this memo from Sharma means Xbox service is about to get cheap or not. Players are still unsure about what changes the company could make. Will they be adding more complicated tiers that would further make players uninterested, or will they be getting some value for the price they're paying? But it is refreshing to see the problem being discussed, even internally. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.